Hi, everyone. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm in Washington, D.C. It's cherry blossom season, so it's swarming with tourists right now. And if you're here, maybe think about coming and visiting our office and having an immigration consultation if you happen to be one of the tourists visiting D.C. But if you're not, no need to worry. You can actually call our office. We can do a consultation with you if you would like, by phone, or by Zoom. And the best way to reach us is 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. If you're just joining and you don't know me, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. We work with all types of immigration cases. So we work on various types of immigration cases, including humanitarian cases like VAWA, U visas, T visas. We also work with family cases if you're bringing your parents or your spouse or children, siblings also. And then we work with employment cases. And right now, I know this is a hot topic for folks because it's H-1B lottery registration season. Exciting news is that the lottery registration was supposed to close today at 12 o'clock, but it's been extended all the way until Monday. It's been extended to Monday. So if you're thinking about an H-1B or you thought you didn't have enough time to get registered, you would still have the ability to go and register yourself for, well, not yourself, but have your company register you for the H-1B lottery. Okay, it's open until Monday now. So going back, our firm handles only immigration cases, but all types of immigration cases. So if we can help you, please reach out to us for a confidential consultation. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page and schedule a consultation. You can check out our website, Agarwal Immigration, and you can schedule a consultation there as well. All right. But I'm here. I come on frequently to answer immigration questions. I'm happy to answer your questions. If you want to put them in here, just know that this is just general information. If you would like specific information about your case, I want to talk to you about your immigration history. So I would love to chat with you more about your immigration case, but that would be through a consultation that you can do through our Facebook page, by calling our office, or going on our website. Right now, you can reach our office at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right, I'm going to go through a few questions for today. One is, this is our question of the day. We always start with a question of the day that I think will be helpful to you guys. The first question is, what happens if my abusive spouse loses their immigration status while my VAWA self-petition is pending? So what happens if my spouse loses their immigration status while my VAWA self-petition is pending? So if to qualify for VAWA, based on spousal abuse, you have to have a spouse who is a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. Remember, green card holders can more easily lose their status than if you're a citizen. Most of the time, if you're a U.S. citizen, you can't really lose that status unless you procured it by fraud, right? So unless you misrepresented to the government or there was some kind of fraud, then you can potentially lose your citizenship status. But otherwise, you're pretty solid and stable with your citizenship status. If you are a green card holder, if you commit certain crimes, you might become removable and you could lose your immigration status that way. So this is why I always advise green card holders to get their citizenship as soon as possible. It's more stable and certain if you intend to live here in the US permanently. Okay? So going back, what happens if my spouse loses their immigration status while my VAWA application is pending? So since you do need a US citizen or a green card holder spouse in order to qualify for this, your application can also be impacted if your spouse loses their status. So you want to have that approved VAWA before any problems with your spouse losing their status. Okay, give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Feel free to reach out to us. We work with business cases, so employment immigration cases. We also work with humanitarian cases like VAWAs and T visas and U visas. And we also do family immigration, and can certainly help you sponsor family members, or if you are someone that maybe got recently married, we can talk to you about the green card process as well. So feel free to reach out to us. Again, 703-348-1663. And also, you can schedule from our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration. You can see my availability there. You can see if it matches your availability and schedule a consultation directly from there. You can also go on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, and schedule from there as well. All right, so I hope one of these options works out for you. And folks like to do consultations in all sorts of ways. So sometimes people like to call us and do it by phone. Other times, most of our clients choose Zoom. So we meet on Zoom, and it's going to be like this. We talk to each other. We can share documents. I can show you some documents that might be easier for you to understand in terms of the steps involved. And also, we can do it in person. So some people do like to come in person to meet with us for a consultation in person in our Washington, D.C. office as well. So we would love to meet you any of those ways. But today, I'm here to provide information. If you have some burning questions about immigration, please feel free to put them into the chat here. If you have friends or family that might be interested in this conversation, interested in immigration topics, please share this post with them. And then also, if you don't already like us and follow us, please make sure you do that on our social media so you can be notified when I am live, okay? Great, guys. All right, so we have so many folks here joining, and if you have questions, feel free to put them in. Sometimes folks are very chatty, other times they're quieter. So it seems we have a quieter bunch today, but I have many questions to go over with you here. Hi, Peter. Hi, Lindsay. Hi, Mo. Also, say hi if you haven't joined me before. I would love to know where you're watching from. I will introduce myself again since we had some folks just join. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C. Our clients are all throughout the United States, and we work with all types of immigration cases. I would love to talk with you guys and perhaps help you with some of your immigration cases. Crazy Fred. Hey, Crazy Fred says, what is the charge for your immigration case if I've been here for 10 years and just got married and filing? Well, we need to know what issues you have had. If you've had any your form of entry, we have to know some things. So our charge is $150 for a consultation. So that's what I can tell you for sure. It's $150 for a consultation. I don't want to give you prices here because I might tell you something that is too high or that would be more than we would otherwise charge you. Okay, call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. What are your fees? Oh, great. You guys are so great about asking questions about fees. What are your fees for U.S. citizenship? So, well, one, we want to make sure you qualify. So we charge $150 for a consultation. Our consultations are Zoom, phone, or in person. Okay, Zoom, phone, or in person. I would love to chat with you more to make sure you qualify. I'd be happy to give you all of our pricing structures when we have our consultation. So you can reach us at 703-348-1663. Valerie from New Jersey. I'm glad. Maine from Florida. Maine be so funny is from Florida. That's funny. Nice to meet you. Thank you for joining us. Hello. We have some folks here saying hi. How long does a fiance visa take? That's a great question. So how long does a fiance visa take? Actually, the time takes different. Basically, it can take a different amount of time depending on where your fiance is. So just remember that only U.S. citizens can sponsor their fiancés. So the first part of it is a petition here in the United States where you show that this person is your fiance, you intend to get married within 90 days of them coming to the United States, that you're in a real relationship. It's not just for immigration. So that's the first part. That takes about 9 months to get approved. then the case gets transferred over to the National Visa Center and the embassy where your fiance is located. Your fiance will appear with some documents to the interview that is scheduled for them, and then they will get stamped with a fiance visa and enter the United States. So the timing can vary because it depends on when they can get that appointment scheduled. But that first part should take about 9 months to a year to get approved. Okay, give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. I hope that answers your question, Maine. Crazy Fred says, where are you located? So where are you located? We are located in Washington, D.C. Our office is in Washington, D.C., but our clients are everywhere. Sometimes I don't even meet my clients. Most of the time we talk through Zoom, which is going to be a lot like this. We talk by phone, and anyone that wants to come in person comes in person. Excuse me. But if you're in the D.C. area, I would love to meet you in person. If you'd like to come in, or if you want to come to the DC office, you're more than welcome to do that. But we can represent you anywhere, no matter where you are located. We have international clients and we have clients all throughout this country. So I would love to work with you if you think we're the right fit for you. So call us. The first step is to call us for a consultation today. You can give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation by going to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or going to our website, agarwalimmigration.com. These are great ways to see my availability and schedule a consultation. And if you have general questions about immigration, I can answer them for you here. Okay? All right, so here's another question that comes up a lot. How can I apply for a VAWA and also qualify my kids for a green card, right? So a lot of times people are applying for VAWA based on abuse from their spouse. And this can be emotional abuse, mental abuse, financial abuse. It is almost never physical abuse, at least for our clients that have been successful with their VAWA cases. They've had little to no physical abuse at all in their marriage, and it's been mostly emotional and mental abuse that has qualified them for VAWA. So if you have a spouse where you're having problems, right, and you have children that you want to also qualify with you for a green card, then your kids will qualify. They will also submit their application, their adjustment of status application, if they're here in the United States. It can go along with your application, and all of your green cards will be issued at the same time. So your kids have to be under 21, right? They have to be your children. They have to be under 21, and they can also qualify for a green card with you through VAWA. Call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I work in Washington, D.C. Our office is in Washington, D.C. Our clients are everywhere. So if you would like to call us for a consultation, I would love to chat with you more about your immigration questions. Okay, again, you can schedule your consultation by calling the office, going to our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Great. How does VAWA impact my immigration status, right? So how does VAWA impact my immigration status? So having VAWA, you can have work authorization here in the United States, and you can be here in the United States, right? So it gives you permission to be here, and you can have work authorization. Okay, many of our VAWA clients will also qualify for adjustment of status, which is essentially a green card application. So if you apply for a VAWA and then you also qualify for a green card, this is life-changing, guys. So this is super life-changing, not just for you, but all of your future generations as well. So call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney based in DC, but our clients are everywhere, and we can help you with immigration no matter what type of case you have. Okay? Santi says, hi, good afternoon, hello. Clevin says, do you speak Hindi? Clevin, I understand Hindi, but my speaking Hindi is not great, but I'm pretty good at understanding it. So if you would like to have a Hindi consultation, please give us a call and we can schedule it for you. Also, we have folks on our team that speak Hindi, so we can certainly provide you with excellent service, even if you only speak Hindi or you prefer to speak Hindi. Okay, call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I've been living here in the USA for 15 years, citizen, child, any case for this situation? Yes, absolutely. Yes, absolutely. So if you have a child who's at least 21 years old and they are a US citizen, then we can help you. Okay? Call us. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. I would love to chat with you more. My father is American. Can he get me an American passport? That's a great question. So depending on when you were born, you may already be considered a U.S. citizen, right? So depending on when you were born, the laws did change. You also have had to have lived with your father for a certain amount of time. So it's possible that you might already be American. You just need the passport or that certificate of citizenship. So if you'd like to call us, I'm happy to help you. 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Make sure, guys, that you like us and follow us on our social media. If you have friends or family that might be interested in this kind of conversation, that might be having immigration concerns, that might want to learn a little bit more about it, please share this post with them, okay? My mom is very sick. Can I use her paperwork to expedite my USCIS case? It's possible. It is possible that you might be able to make an expedite request. You can schedule that. You can make that request through the USCIS website. All right. NM, hi NM. Nice to see you. How are you doing? Thanks for joining us. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Adon says, can asylum be filed 15 years after living here? So can asylum be filed after 15 years of living here? So what we recommend is once you come into the United States, if you qualify for asylum, you should file within 1 year. Okay, if you don't file within 1 year of your entry, like in this situation, you have to show changed circumstances and why you're now filing, right? So we want to think about that, think about what circumstances are different. Maybe there weren't threats against you, or maybe the situation in your country was different when you first entered. So call us and hopefully we can work with you and come up with possibilities of what argument you can make for changed circumstances, making you eligible for asylum. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Chandani, hi Chandani, she says, I applied for my son. My case is a minor child. My case was approved at NBC, waiting to complete the interview. Do you know how long it takes to get an interview after your fingerprints are done? Sorry, I think I blended two questions. Okay, so great. If you're waiting for an interview, I would say it takes about 6 months from the time that it's documentarily qualified at NBC to the time that you have to apply for, they appear at the interview. Okay. Great. NM says, my I-131 and my 765 changed to case was approved. Congratulations. This means that her work permit was approved. Her travel authorization was approved. So you have to wait to get those cards. I don't know what kind of case you have, so I don't know what's next. All right, NM? All right. Naran says, what are the chances to get a green card for a J1 visa? Well, it depends. You have to first get a waiver. If you have a 2-year return home requirement, you might have to get a waiver of that. And then you have to see how you might even qualify for a green card, how long you've been out of status, right? So it's not a quick, easy question, but it's something that would require a consultation. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. and hopefully we can help you with the consultation. Okay. NM has a VAWA case, great. After that, you're waiting on the VAWA approval, which is really exciting. It's usually about 1.5 years after you submit your application. Okay. All right, lots of questions here. Great. NM says, I got my prima facie some weeks ago. Fantastic. So now you're waiting on the VAWA approval. NM, I'm not sure if you used an attorney, but you may want to consult your attorney with these types of questions as well. I'm happy to answer them, but your attorney should really. What we do is we give a full overview of the timeline of the case. We do it right at the consultation, so everyone has a clear picture of all of the different steps that are involved. Okay. So if you want to call us about VAWA, if you want to have a consultation, I would love to meet with you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Cypria says, I applied for a 751 in 2021, and it's been 4 years and 10 months. I'm divorced. Can I apply for citizenship, or should I wait? Cypria, that is a fantastic question. It depends a little bit. I'm not sure exactly what your specific situation is or how long you were married, but you might want to wait 5 years before you apply before you become eligible for citizenship. I believe you can apply now. You might want to wait to make sure you get your permanent 10-year green card before you do that, but you don't necessarily have to do that because you're allowed to apply for citizenship within 90 days of being qualified. All right, I hope that helps you. All right, if you received your prima facie, how long does it take for an EAD? That's a great question. So if you are getting a prima facie, that means that you have an approvable VAWA case. So this is all awesome news for you. If you've applied for VAWA, an adjustment of status, you will get your EAD, which is your work authorization, your work permit, in about between 6 months and 8 months from the time that you applied. So if you just received your EAD, probably in about 4 or 5 months, you should get your EAD. Okay, give us a call if we can help. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I am an immigration attorney. I help clients all throughout the United States. We can work with only immigration applications, and if you have any type of immigration issue, concern, you want to have a confidential consultation, please call our office. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Bunny says, how can you expedite my EAD from the VAWA application if I hire you? That's a great question. I mean, you can just make a request and use all the arguments that you can make, right? So I don't know exactly your situation, but there is a process to expedite the EAD through VAWA. Sometimes, just needing to work is not enough. So we want to brainstorm what other concerns there might be. Okay, call us if we can help. 703-348-1663. How long does it take to remove conditions on a green card when you file a waiver of being abused by, I would assume, by your U.S. citizen spouse? That is a great question. So these cases do take a little bit of time, but you do get a receipt notice, which will automatically extend your green card. So sometimes these receipt notices right now, I think, are coming for 5 years. So hopefully you get that receipt notice. So with your expired green card and the receipt notice of the removal of conditions, it will automatically extend your green card validity. So you'll be able to work while that is pending. And you can apply for that waiver with an affidavit and some other documentation. We'd love to help you with that. If you have a 2-year green card, you're going to the 10-year green card, your spouse is not willing to help you, and there is abuse in your marriage, emotional or mental abuse, you can still qualify, and you can do it on your own without the help of your spouse. So call us if you would like to schedule a consultation, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also schedule a consult on our Facebook page, Agarwal Immigration, or on our website, agarwalimmigration.com. I'm going to hop off for today, you guys. I know we have so many people here and lots of questions. Thank you for joining me this Friday. Happy Friday. Hope you guys have an awesome weekend. I would love to meet many of you to talk about your case, and hopefully we can help you get in status. Hanu says, do you have appointments available today? I do not have appointments available today, but we do have appointments next week. If you would like to reach out and schedule a consultation next week, you should be able to do that, okay? You can see my availability actually right online. So go to Facebook or our website, agarwalimmigration.com, and we will get you on my calendar as soon as possible. It's wonderful to meet so many new folks here today. Thanks for joining. Share this with others. Follow us, like us if you haven't already. And I will see you again next week, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Bye, everyone.